cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me.
Okay, here's the new fuel pump compared to the other new fuel pump. Now you can see the size difference, and I'm thinking that's why we were just getting too much gas pumping in here, coming back to the refuel line, and then it making compression back in and shooting more gas to the carb than it needs. So I'm thinking that's one of our main issues, so we're going back to the old original style single line with no return. Well, I wanted to get a shot of this and show you this is what I've been fighting with, and this is why I replaced the gas tank on this car, because it definitely had some bad gas in it, and you can see all the sediment at the bottom of this. This is a brand new fuel filter. I cranked on it maybe for 2 or 3 minutes, and this is what is the outcome of that old gas tank. Got some rust particles in there, some orange gas, and that's what's clogged up my carburetor and why I'm having to tear it down and rebuild it again, clean it up, go through it. And it's the reason I put a new fuel pump on it, because I know some of this probably got past it and clogged up. Well, it didn't maybe clog it up, but definitely got some past this filter, into the fuel pump, into the carb, which I got another filter, so I'll have to be replacing that one as well. But wanted to show you all that and why it's crucial to always buy a new gas tank. You know, the gas tank that I took out of here was pretty good shape, especially on the outside. It looked great. And even though I've taken it off and looked on the inside, I drained all the gas out of it that I could, but still about a gallon in there. And this is the price I paid. New filters, rebuilt the carburetor twice, thinking, you know, that would take care of it. It didn't. Don't take the easy way out. Don't try to be too cheap with it. Go out, buy a new gas tank for these old classic cars. Start fresh. Do it once. Do it right. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to have to loosen this up. So I got a little bit of play here. Yank this off. Put a new one on. Bolt it all back together. Then I'm going to pull the car down. Take the carburetor off and start on that rebuild. So just wanted to show you this. So y'all stay tuned for the upcoming adventures of the 79 Camaro. Thank you. Alright, we're back. We got the fuel pump on, new gasket. The 2 bolts are already torqued down. The only thing we have left now is this new fuel line that'll go from the pump down here up to the carburetor right there. So to do that, I'm going to have to take off this alternator so I can work this line behind it, because as you can tell, it's not going to fit as is without bending it, and I don't want to do all that. So I'm going to take that alternator off. I'll be able to route that fuel line up to the carburetor rather easily that way. And I also have to replace this fuel line that comes from the gas tank that goes down the passenger side, that fuel line all the way to the gas tank, with a new rubber hose, because this one is 120 years old and it is a little short. So I'm going to be replacing this with some new fuel line I got to go pick up. Then I'll be able to button up the bottom fuel line, take the alternator off, reroute that, hook it up to the carb, and then we should be complete, fuel system revamped. And hopefully we'll be in business then. So that's going to end it for the video till I can go get some more parts, and then we'll wrap that up. So want to thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and we'll catch you in the next one. Later, guys.
Be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me.